Hello dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I'm your maths teacher. So today we'll study from Mathwise book 3. So we are on page 46 and the topic is about multiplication, right? So multiplication grid is given there, so you can see this yourself. So I'll just guide you about the tables. This is a table of 2, so you can see this 1 multiply 2 is equal to 2, so you can read it as 1 2s are 2. So one set of 2 means that this is a set of 1 times you multiply with 2 and the answer or the product becomes 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, right? So you can write it here 4. Similarly 3 2s are 6, right? So 3 sets of 2 means that 3 plus 3 3 sets of 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2, so this is equal to 6. So similarly the other numbers you can see yourself, right? 12 2s are 24, so 12 2s are 24 and 12 sets of 2, so 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 4 times, plus 2 plus 2 5 6, plus 2 plus 2 8, plus 2 plus 2 10, plus 2 plus 2. So this is 12 times I have written 2 and it makes 24. So similarly this is a table of 3 given and you can read it as 3 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, right? And 4 3s are 12, right? So this is also the way that you can. So you have to learn these tables and you should know that how to count the tables, right? So similarly this is table of 4 given, so you can learn this by heart, right? So you should also know that how to speak out or pronounce, right? So this is table of 5 given and this is table of 10 given, right? So here table of 8 is given, right? 1 8s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24, right? That you should know how to pronounce the table. So this is a table of 9 given, right? So all these tables are up to grade 3, level 3. So you should know table up to 9, so you must learn this. So now as this chapter is about multiplication, so we'll see this multiplication table is given, grid is given. So this is something like this, that 1 multiply 2, here 2, 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4, 2 4s are 2 3s are 6, 2 4 4s are okay, first you multiply with 2, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 3 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18 and 10 2s are 20. Then similarly this 2 with 3, this 2 with 4, this 2 with 5, and we multiply and we get the multiplication table up to 100. Okay. Now exercise 16, here I have solved this question for you. So 2 8s are 16, right? 7 4s are 28, 7 11s are 7. So you have to fill the blanks and the boxes, you have to put the possible answer. So 5 9s are 45, 9 7s are 63, 6 12s are 72, 8 8s are 64. So 6 9s are 54. Similarly you can solve all these blank boxes, right? Exercise 17 is given. So here T stands for tens, O stands for ones. So you have to write the numbers according to the place value. So 34 is given, so 4 is at ones place and 3 is at tens place. So 34 multiply 5, answer is 174. 5 is 20, 5 3 is 15, 2 carry plus 17, right? 2 you will add 2 into 15 and you will get answer 17. 170 is the answer. So here similarly 67 is given, 7 is at ones place and 6 is at tens place. So 6 7s are 42, 4 carry, 6 is 36 plus 4 40, 402 is the answer. 29 multiply 4, 9 4s are 36, 3 carry, 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 11, 116. 8 9s are 72, 7 carry, and 8 8s are 64 plus 7, 71. So here 90 is given, 0 is at 10, 1's place, and 9 is at 10's place. So we have to multiply with 4, and 4 is also at 1's place. 0 multiply 4, 0, and 4s are 36. So similarly you can solve 6, 7, 8 part. Okay, now we have exercise 18. This is word problems. So this is about multiplication. And we have to simply multiply them. So first question is, the cost of one notebook is rupees 9. Find the cost of 41 notebooks. So cost of one book is 9 rupees, and we have to find out the cost of 41 notebooks. So cost of one book notebook rupees 9, and the cost of 41 we have to find out. So multiply these numbers. 41 multiply 9, that is equal to 369. So this way we can multiply 41. We will write them vertically, and then we will multiply. 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. So second question is, if a spider has 8 legs, how many legs do 20 spiders have in all? So one spider has 8 legs, 20 spiders will have legs. How many? We will find out. We will multiply the numbers. 20 multiply 8 is equal to 160 legs will all 20 spiders have. So this way you can multiply by writing in the vertical form. 20 multiply 8, 0 8s are 0, and 8 2s are 16. So question number 3, in a classroom there are 24 rows and benches, or rows of benches. If 3 students sit in one row on one bench, how many students are there in the class? So there are 24 rows of benches, and 3 students sit on one row or in the one bench. So number of benches 24, rows of benches 24, number of students sit on one bench 3, right? So you simply multiply 24 multiply 3 is equal to 72. 72 students can sit on 24 benches, right? Question number 4, a shopkeeper has 12 dozen eggs to sell. How many eggs does he have altogether? 12 dozen eggs. So here 12 shopkeeper has 12 dozen eggs, right? Not 12 dozen eggs. 1 dozen is equal to 12 eggs, right? So 12 dozen is equal to 12 multiply 12 is equal to 144 eggs altogether he has in his shop. Question number 5, Rayaz has 4 boxes of crayons. Each box contains 25 crayons. How many crayons does he have in all? So he has 4 boxes of crayons. One box contains 25 crayons. So Rayaz has 4 boxes of crayons. Each box has 25 crayons. So simply we multiply 25 by 4 and we get 100 crayons altogether. How many days are there in 49 weeks? So 49 weeks, days in a week. In 1 week we have 7 days, right? And 49 weeks means that we multiply 49 by 7 and we get 343 days in 49 weeks. So simply you can multiply like this also, right? Okay, now exercise 19 on page 56. So simply work out this mentally. So this is an oral exercise, you have to do it yourself. I have solved this for you. You can learn how to multiply, right? So this is also mental exercise given. I have solved this. So only this number is given here, right? This one, and we have to write 5 2s are 10, 2 5s are 10. From all sides the answer will be 10. 4 8s are 32. You can write 2 16s are 32 also here. 5 9s are 45, 9 5s are 45, right? So 3 8s are 24, or 8 3s are 24, 7 9s are 63, right? You can write 21 multiply 3 also. So 10 10s are 100. So 25 also you can 4 times, 25 times you can also, up to you. So this is all for today. Thank you very much.